Hey guys, Ralph's Automotive. Got something super quick for you today. I'm working on this 2006 Ford F-150, but that really doesn't matter. That's not purpose of this video. The purpose of this video here is for all you fanatics out there, Matco ratchet. I just acquired that like a month or so ago. This is the one with the locking swivel head. Love it. Love that ratchet. Let this be said first. I love that ratchet. It's locked in, but the ratchet itself is already broke. I was taking off the front drive shaft out of this truck. Everything is pretty rusted, and of course Loctited in as well. And I use this one here because of that. You know, I use the long ratchet. This is a long ratchet here. Hopefully that's all. Well, I could flip the screen, I guess. Got my camera working again, so yeah, it shows it. So this is my long ratchet. At the end of the day, for you guys that always knock the stuff, this is what took it loose. I'll get you in there. That's the Harbor Freight, guys. That's the one that ended up taking it loose. I put a little bit of pipe on this and yanked on it, and this broke it loose with no problems whatsoever. This one here failed on the first one. Told you all it was a quick video. This is not to knock these tools. Like I said, I love this ratchet, but this is just a video for you guys that always hound the Harbor Freight and how junk it is. There you go, guys.